In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the details of a word in Google Docs. This quick and easy method will help enhance your writing and comprehension skills by providing you with additional insights into the words you use or encounter. Whether you're working on a school assignment, writing a report, or simply curious about a particular word, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. To begin, open your Google Docs document where you want to explore the details of a word. Having your document ready is crucial as it allows you to follow along with this tutorial in real time. Once your document is open, scan through your text and identify the word you'd like to learn more about. Whatever your reason for choosing this specific word, it's essential to highlight it. To do this, simply click and drag your mouse over the word until it's selected. Now that you've highlighted the word of interest, it's time to discover more about it. We're going to use a quick keyboard shortcut that works wonders. Hold down the Control key and the Shift key, then press Y. If you're using a Mac, substitute the Control key with the Command key. As soon as you press this combination, you'll notice something new in your Google Docs interface. Over on the right-hand side of your screen, a panel will appear. This is where Google Docs displays a rich array of details about the word you highlighted. What exactly can you find in this panel? Typically, it features definitions of the word, helping you grasp its precise meaning. But it doesn't stop there. You might also see synonyms, examples of the word used in a sentence, and even its translational equivalents if you're working in a multilingual context. This tool is particularly useful for enhancing your vocabulary, ensuring that you use the most appropriate words for your narratives and understand nuanced meanings when reading complex documents. Once you have all this information in front of you, take a moment to absorb it. Having an enriched understanding of words not only improves your writing, but also boosts your confidence in using language effectively. If you're working on enhancing your vocabulary or need to explain concepts more clearly, spending a few seconds on each word can be beneficial. And with that, you now know how to check the details of a word in Google Docs. It's a simple yet powerful feature that can aid any writer or reader in gaining clarity and depth in their work. Before you go, remember to like this video if you found it helpful, leave a comment if you have any questions or additional tips to share, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.